What's going on YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and we're back with another embroidery video. And in today's video, what we'll be doing is a patch, which will be the Ghostbusters logo. So we are using felt for this. And what I am going to do is trace everything just to see the felt going to fit in the area. So everything look like it's good. Going to go ahead and press this OK button, and I'm going to thread my top bobbin, which will be red. Now that we have everything threaded and in place, go ahead and press this green button right here and get it started. So with this, I do not have a tack down stitch, so everything is just going to go off of memory. Just trying to get a good angle. A little bit better. I'm gonna let this play out just a little bit more. I'm gonna skip it ahead a few, but this is a 17-minute stitch out for this color. Then after that, it's gonna go into the black. So definitely stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. So right now, it's looking great. I have a small piece of red, which would be probably around over in this area. Probably can't see, but right here, it's gonna be a small piece of red there. And then that'll be it for this color. Coming out great, can't see no background. Like I said, that's all in the software with the density. And also I added some full comp to it. Well, excuse me, full compensation. Say the whole word out for you guys and girls, so full compensation. So the red did eventually stop, and right now we have the black thread in. And once again, I'm just going to do the top portion, which will be his hands and the body of the top of the body. And then I'm going to stop it and cut that portion off. Then I'm going to leave this half. And once it do the hand on this side, I'm going to cut that portion off. So go ahead and get it started now. So actually, just thinking about how I set it up, I did do the border lines first. Then I'm going to stitch out the rest of the body part. At first I didn't know why I did it, but now I'm just thinking about it. I am going to cut this real quick. But the reason why I did that is because the hands were going to be under this part. If you can see it, it was going to be under here. And I wanted that on top of that black. So that is the reason why I did it like this. I kind of forgot. So it's going to stitch out all of the corners of the borders first. And then the rest of the body is going to be stitched out. I mean, I'm not upset about that. It's still cool. So I know I said it previously what it was going to do, but it's not. Just thought about it. So go ahead and finish this out. I was going to cut that jump stitch, but it's not really in the way yet. So So once it's stopped over here, that's when I'm going to stop it, cut these jump stitches. And let the rest of it sew out. Or should I say stitch out. I figure everything that is going to be shown, which is going to be some of the white felt, might just try to cut it off. If I can't, try to use a some heat and try to just burn off some of the edges. So I don't think this is going to be a tough material to burn. So yeah, if I can't cut the rest, I'll try to burn it just to try to clean it up some. But if I don't have to do that, then I'll just keep it just like it is. But we'll see once everything is done stitching out. So I'm about to stop it. Once it jump over there. Just wanted to let that get settled in. Hold on. Alrighty, so all the jump stitches were cut. Coming out clean so far. Sorry about the angle. Zoom them out a little bit. There we go. Let a couple more parts stitch out for a little bit, and then I'll be right back. And if you guys have gotten this far and you're still watching, please, if you can, hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, and like up the video. Thumbs up the video. Greatly appreciated, guys. Thank you so much. I have just a little bit left to go. The hand and then the bottom part, I guess it's stomach, I guess you can call it. I don't know what. That's all we have left after this part. Far looking great. Just some little minor cleanups, but other than that, see if I can get over here and clip this. Lift this up real quick and clip. Hold Perfect. Now my hand just gotta get under there. Scoot it up out the way. Back in action. So we're all finished. Once again, looks beautiful, looks dope. Think it came out great. Gonna take it out the hoop, see how it looks. Alrighty guys, so let me know what you think. I just had to cut the jump stitches. Let me know what you think. How does it look? Like I said, I'm using felt. This is for my background just because I didn't want to use white thread. The whole project was 25 minutes. If I'd have used white thread, it'll probably been about 35 to 40 minutes. So I figure, hey, I got some felt. Let's try that. So yeah, I'll leave the felt also in the description below where you can get it from if you anybody want to purchase it. So let me know how it look, what you guys think. Get a close up on that. I mean, look at it, man. Seriously, you can't beat this. So let me know, guys, in the comment section what you think, how it looks. And until next time, this is your boy Deon with Quality Custom Design. And as always, stay blessed, guys, and continue to strive for greatness.